Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I'm going to show you how to use MIPA, My Intelligent Personal Assistant, an Outlook add-in and Microsoft Teams app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. MIPA is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. MIPA runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on your Outlook desktop client and Teams desktop app. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we will have a look at functionalities within MIPA and iGlobe CRM together. If you are a MIPA and iGlobe CRM user, you will have more functions. In this video, we will focus on Teams. However, everything works the same in Outlook. First, let us have a look at sales opportunities, which are the purple blocks in your MIPA. You can easily update your sales opportunities in MIPA. To change the follow-up date, you can either do it manually or simply drag and drop it to another day. You can update the phase and the probability based on your progress. You can also write or edit information in your sales log. In the top bar, you will see the pencil icon, which leads to the online CRM. There you can make changes, other details in the sales opportunity profile. When you are late on some sales opportunity or meeting report, you will notice that the color of the block appears darker than the others. On the left side of each block, you can see the product, the follow-up date, and contact person, which includes links to their email address, phone number, Teams, and LinkedIn profile. Then you can see the company name and the potential sale amount. On the right side, you will see the phase of the prospect, the expected closure date, and the probability. In the top right corner, you will also see the sales log. All of these features can be easily updated directly from MIPA without having to open the CRM. You just need to click on each icon and edit the information. When you are working on a Teams chat, you can easily search a company on the CRM by clicking on the MIPA icon and selecting Search for Company. You can update CRM information directly from a chat. Thanks to MIPA, there is no need to open the CRM. It is also possible to create a task from the chat by clicking on a message on the conversation or from the MIPA icon at the bottom. These two functionalities are also available during Teams meetings in the chat by clicking on the three dots and on MIPA. This way, you can create planner tasks and search for company information on the CRM without having to close Teams. Now let's have a look at meeting reports, which are the orange blocks in your MIPA. On the left side of each block, you can see the title, the follow-up date, the contact person, and the company name. On the right side, you will see the report date. In the right top corner, you are able to see the meeting summary, and at the bottom, you are able to mark the report as complete. Same as in sales opportunities, you can easily change the follow-up date, update the meeting summary, and mark the report as complete. If you want to see the online CRM, you just have to click on the pencil icon in the top bar and edit other information. As a CRM user, you can use the full functionality of the MIPA Chat on Teams. Simply type in "Hi MIPA" and your virtual assistant will help you. For example, you can search for a specific company and you can get an overview. You can also open your sales opportunities and meeting reports. When you have several active sales opportunities, you will have to scroll through them. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!